continue being factual. You have an obligation to continue being accurate. You have an obligation to be fair and indeed to be truthful. It doesn't mean that if you arrive at a conclusion that you live in a repressive political environment, you must do certain things in order to change your condition, therefore you must be unethical. No, it just can't work like that. Otherwise, you are destroying the profession itself. Polarization in this country, it is in a major way damaged journalism. Because of what has been happening over the years, I'm saying this because of what you say. You find that there is a tendency sometimes to pursue the journalism of extremes. Other guys shouting from the other corner, the other guys shouting from the other corner. Take the Herald, the Daily News, you see, reporting from different planets on the same thing. This is a problem. This is one of the problems that we are facing. An inquiry that was done by a committee set up by former Minister of Information, Jonathan Moyo, delved into that issue in depth by talking to people, ordinary people, not just to media students and researchers and academics like you, but every people. They had different views, but what came out there was that polarization is largely because of the politics of the time here in Zimbabwe, and that has had a negative impact on journalism. Journalism is there to reflect what's happening, but on the other side, journalism has also exacerbated the situation by taking sides. That must not happen. That is why if you're in a position to be influencing content, you must always insist that reporters must be ethical. They must be fair, even if they are personally aggrieved by the situation. The last one is the issue of regulation. It's a major debate. It has been going on for decades. What sort of regulation do we need? Do we need state regulation? In other words, basically regulation by the government via legislation and constitution. Do we need to regulate ourselves? You see these guys from the Voluntary Media Council, they are clearly for